Hi everyone, it's me, Mrs. Cole again, and we are moving on to skill 1.6 in 95%. And today we are focusing on identifying the word that is at the beginning, the word that's at the middle, and the word that is at the end. So we're going to be using our same mat. We'll be using our picture cards, and then we'll move on to our blank blue squares. So first up, we have the words kite, fish, mouse. Okay, so remember first, you're just listening to me, watching and paying attention. So I'm going to first pull the words down, then slide my finger across. Kite, fish, mouse. Kite, fish, mouse. Okay, then you'll notice that when I slide my finger, you see that I come to kite first. That is the first one, closer to the green dot. Mouse is at the end because it is last. It is closest to the red arrowhead, and fish is in the middle. Okay, so I might say to you, what word was at the beginning? You would say kite. What word is in the middle? Fish. What word is at the end? Mouse. Okay, now let's try sock, bus, moon. Okay, now it's your turn to say the words with me. Ready? Sock, bus, moon. Sock, bus, moon. Okay, what word was at the beginning? You should say sock because it's closest to the green dot. What word was at the end? You should say moon because it's closest to the red arrow. What word was in the middle? You should say bus because it's in the middle of sock and moon. Okay, this time we have house, ball, sun. Okay, your turn to say the words on your own while I move them. Go ahead. Good. What word is in the middle? What word is at the end? And what word is at the beginning? Okay. For middle, you should have said ball. End, you should have said sun. And beginning, you should have said house. Now we're taking our shapes away and we're using the blue squares. Okay, this makes it a little trickier because you can't look back. You have to remember them. Okay, so you want to make kind of like almost like a song or a beat in your head so you can repeat it back to yourself to identify which one is at the beginning, the middle, or the end. So remember, the first time you're just listening to me, watching me. You don't have to do any talking. This is cat. This is mouse. This is kite. Ready? Cat, mouse, kite. Cat, mouse, kite. Cat is at the beginning. Kite is at the end. Mouse is in the middle. Okay, 3 new words. Now you get to say these words along with me. This is fish. This is dog. This is sun. Go ahead. Fish, dog, sun. Fish, dog, sun. Which word is at the beginning? Okay, you should say fish, because if I need to repeat them, it's fish, dog, sun. Fish is first. What word is at the end? Okay, you should say sun. Fish, dog, sun was at the end. And what word was in the middle? You should say dog. Fish, dog, sun. All right, this time I'm moving the squares, but you get to talk on your own. Dog, cat, kite. Go ahead. And again. Which word is in the middle? You should say cat. Which word is at the beginning? You should say dog. Which word is at the end? You should say kite. Okay. Now we're going to move on to the you do, which if you remember in the classroom, that would be when you get your own board to put in front of you and move the squares. Since we can't do that, you get to take your finger. You can slide down on your screen in front of you and slide your finger that way and answer. All right, we have cat, dog, sun. Go ahead, slide with me. Slide your finger. Which word is at the end? You should say sun. Which one is at the beginning? You should say cat. Which one is in the middle? You should say dog. All right, now we take our squares away. And the last step is to do it orally. So without the board, and I'm just gonna say them to you. You repeat the words back to me. Kite, mouse, fish. Beginning, end, middle. Okay, so for beginning, you should have said kite, end, you should have said fish, and middle, you should have said mouse. Right? That is all for today. You can catch me next time for skill 1.7. Bye, guys.